Chemistry CBSE question paper term 1, and without wasting time, let's start solving it. Question number 1. Which one of the following pair will form an ideal solution? And the answer is N-hexane and N-heptane. दोनों एक टाइप के मॉलिक्यूल्स हैं, they will form an ideal solution. दोनों में same type of intermolecular forces होते हैं. Okay. The next is, which one of the following is an amorphous solid? And needless to say, ग्लास, प्लास्टिक, रबर, भैया ये सारे के सारे नॉन amorphous solids हैं. All of the above. Okay, the structure of pyrosulfuric acid is pyrosulfuric acid. Pyrosulfuric acid का फॉर्मूला H2S2O7. तो आंसर इज C. ठीक है, दिस इज C is the answer. Okay. Fourth में CO bond angle in alcohol is actually it is slightly less than 109.28. 109.28 होता है टेट्राहेड्रल बॉन्ड एंगल, और क्योंकि अल्कोहल के ऊपर एक लोन पेयर है, एक्चुअली दो लोन पेयर है, द बॉन्ड एंगल विल बी लेस देन द आइडियल वन, 109.28. कंसीडर द फॉलोइंग रिएक्शंस. क्या बन रहा है? तो इसका आंसर है फिफ्थ का. देखिए, आपने HBr ऐड किया तो मार्कोनी का रूल की तरह इट विल बी एडिंग रिच गेट्स रिचर, H here and Br here, and then in the second step that Br will be replaced by OH. So the answer is A, propane 2-ol. Nucleosides are they contain like nucleoside and nucleotide दो चीजें होती हैं. न्यूक्लियोसाइड में होते हैं नाइट्रोजनस बेस एंड पेंटोज शुगर. जब उसमें फॉस्फोरिक एसिड लग जाता है, इट बिकम्स न्यूक्लियोटाइड. सो करेक्ट आंसर इज सी हियर. द ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट -7 इज मोस्ट स्टेबल ऑब्वियसली इन ऑक्सीजन. ओके, द मोस्ट कॉमन ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट ऑफ ऑक्सीजन इज -2. Which of the following is not a characteristic of crystalline solid? Crystalline solids are not isotropic, they are anisotropic. D is the answer. Which of the following represents Raoult's law containing non-volatile solute? And the answer of this is C. C. Actually, P total is nothing but PA plus PB, pressure of solute plus pressure of solvent. Now, because the solute is non-volatile, so its pressure becomes 0, or P total is nothing but pressure of A, which is solvent here. Okay. So, इसका answer C है. Okay, 10th. Now let's talk about 10th. An azeotropic solution, two liquids has boiling point lower than either of the two. Then it is like, it is example of negative deviation, minimum boiling it is example of a maximum boiling azeotrope. Maximum or minimum? Let me correct myself. An azeotropic solution, two liquids have boiling point lower than either of the two. Okay. So इसका आंसर होएगा A. See, boiling point is lower when the vapor pressure is more than what is expected. So the answer is going to be A, positive deviation from Raoult's law. The solutions which show positive deviation from the Raoult's law form minimum boiling azeotropes. Okay. 11th. Which of the following will show metal excess defect due to extra cation? And the answer is D. Okay. Zinc 2 positive, some of the zinc 2 positive ions dislocate and they get entered into interstitial space, whereas the electrons occupy another interstitial space. So ZNO is the best example of metal excess defect due to extra cation. Which of the following reacts with acetic anhydride to form a compound aspirin? And the answer is salicylic acid. Okay, salicylic acid, acetylation of salicylic acid forms acetyl salicylate, which is the aspirin actually. Okay, then which of the following statement is wrong? And the wrong statement is clearly visible to me, that oxygen single bond is stronger than sulfur single bond. It's false. Actually, because of exceptionally small size of oxygen, there is interelectronic repulsion and the bond becomes relatively weaker. Amino acids which cannot be synthesized in our body are called obviously essential amino acids. Which one of the following contains, like in which of the following alpha carbon is sp2 hybridized? And the answer is vinyl, because it is in vinyl halide that the halogen is attached to a double bonded carbon or sp2 hybridized carbon. Okay, now 16th is there, on mixing 20 ml of acetone with 30 ml of chloroform, the first thing is acetone and chloroform show negative uh, deviation from the ideal behavior. They form negative deviation, and negative deviation means their delta V is also negative. So the answer will be A, less than 50 ml. Like 30 plus 20, it was expected to be 50, but because the solution is showing negative deviation, it would be less than 50. Consider the following compounds reactivity for SN2. And in this case, C. Third is going to be least reactive anyhow, because it will have partial double bond character. Haloarenes are less reactive, so obviously answer should be, like, I need not to see anything else. Answer is C. कुछ और देखने की जरूरत ही नहीं है. Haloarenes do not undergo nucleophilic substitution easily. Okay, so let's leave rest of the things. Done. Which of the following forms strongest p-pi multiple bond? And the answer is oxygen. Oxygen can form p-pi multiple bond. Actually, that is why it is diatomic. The factor that fluorine is stronger oxidizing agent because its bond breaks easily and the anion formed gets hydrolyzed easily. So answer is because of low bond enthalpy and high hydration enthalpy. Okay. Which of the following sugar is known as dextrose? And answer is glucose, obviously. Copper reacts with dilute nitric acid. Can you tell me the answer? Yes, it's CNO. With concentrated, it will be NO2. Which of the following is network solid? Obviously silicon dioxide. The major product formed here, it's kind of Williamson ether synthesis, but here there's a limitation in Williamson ether synthesis that we cannot use tertiary alkyl halide, and if we use tertiary alkyl halide, elimination takes place, results into formation of alkene. Okay, so this will be the major product formed. And do we have this in answer? Yes, it is answer option D. Chlorine reacts with cold and dilute NaOH to form NaCl and NaClO. Elevation of boiling point is inversely proportional to molar mass of the solute. Why? Because delta TB is Kb into M, which is nothing but Kb mass of solute by molar mass of solute, mass of solvent into 1000. So it is inversely proportional to molar mass of solute. Okay, set B now. An unknown gas X is dissolved in 2.5 bar pressure and the mole fraction is this. The mole fraction of gas when the pressure of gas is double at the same temperature. C. Pressure is directly proportional to mole fraction. So if pressure is doubled, obviously mole fraction will also get doubled. And hence the answer is A here. Now the base present in DNA but not in RNA is thiamine. Thiamine is present in DNA but not in RNA. RNA has uracil. Because we are using PCC only, the alcohol will get oxidized and the double bond will remain as such. Answer is C here. Alcohol will give aldehyde. Enantiomers differ only in rotation of polarized light. Obviously, they are optical isomers of one another. Okay. 30th. The number of lone pairs present in xenon, like xenon has 8 electrons. Even after forming 4 bond, it has 2 lone pairs left. So how many lone pairs? 2. How many bond pairs? 4. Answer is C here. Sulfuric acid is used to prepare more volatile acids from their corresponding salts. Why? And the answer is Because it has hydrogen bonding and it is less volatile. B is the answer. 32. Okay, the density is given. FCC means Z equals to 4. Edge length A is also given. Okay, 4 into 10 power minus 8 centimeter. Okay, molecular mass we have to calculate. The formula which we'll be using is D is equal to Zm upon A cube Na. I believe we have to find out just molecular mass. Rest everything is given. Okay, and the best part is that the density, unit of the density and the edge length is also same, so there is no problem. When we'll solve it, the answer will be A, 57.6 gram per mole. See, now when we are reacting with magnesium, X will be Grignard reagent, and when Grignard reagents reacts with water, it gives hydrocarbon. So product is C here. C is the answer here. Which of the following is weakest reducing agent? And the weakest reducing agent is one which has strongest bond, and that is A. The boiling point of 0.2 molar solute of a non-electrolyte in water is C. Delta TB equals to KB into M. The best part is molality is given as 0.2. Delta TB is given as 0.52. Can you guess the answer? 1.04 will be the elevation in boiling point. Boiling point is 100. Okay, boiling point. Okay, sorry. Boiling point is 100, and 1.04 is the elevation in boiling point. So answer is going to be, and just a minute, there's a correction. It is not 1.04. It is 0.104. Okay. Fine. So 100 डिग्री सेल्सियस पहले से होता है, इंक्रीज हो गया बाय 0.104, तो ये हो गया आंसर सी 35. Nucleic acid are the polymers of nucleotides. Apart from this, another question is which of the following gas dimerizes to become stable? NO2. अब ये मुझे लग रहा है कि आउट ऑफ सिलेबस क्वेश्चन है. ऑक्साइड्स के बारे में तो नहीं पूछा गया था. ठीक है, ऐसा बोला गया था कि ऑक्साइड्स ऑफ नाइट्रोजन आर नॉट इन दिस सिलेबस. पता नहीं क्यों बोला इन्होंने. ओके, एक्स क्या रिप्रेजेंट करता है? एक्स रिप्रेजेंट करता है, एनी गेसेस? फ्रीजिंग पॉइंट ऑफ द सॉल्यूशन. ओके, फ्रीजिंग पॉइंट ऑफ द सॉल्यूशन. ऑफ लाइक डिप्रेशन इन फ्रीजिंग पॉइंट वाला ग्राफ देखेंगे ना एनसीईआरटी के बुक से, तो आपको पता चलेगा एक्स रिप्रेजेंट्स फ्रीजिंग पॉइंट. 39 is again a fact based question, and the answer is A here. Okay. Glucose on reaction with bromine gives gluconic acid. The aldehyde gets oxidized into carboxylic acid. Which of the following is optically inactive? And obviously C. C in C. प्लस माइनस दोनों का साइन है, मतलब इट्स अ रैसिमिक मिक्सचर. इट कुड बी रैसिमिक मिक्सचर, इट कुड बी अ मीजो कंपाउंड. डेक्स्ट्रो भी है, लीवो भी है, तो आंसर है इसका सी. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट करेक्ट? एंड द इनकरेक्ट स्टेटमेंट इज बी, that halogens are more reactive than interhalogen compounds. It's false. Actually, interhalogen compounds are more reactive than halogens because their bonds is polar. Which of the following has highest boiling point? And the answer is yes, D, the one which has highest molecular mass. After this comes, okay, which of the following pentane ka isomer which will give 3 isomeric monochlorides? 3 isomeric monochloride is given by C. So answer of 40, is it C? Just a minute. 3 na? Okay, sorry. C will give 4 actually. Answer is B. 1 chloropentane, 2 chloropentane, 3 chloropentane. Done. Assertion reason 45. And I believe the answer is C. A is true. That when a raw mango is placed in saline water, loss of water. ऐसे तो हम लोग अचार बनाते हैं, सही बात है. Through the pores process of reverse osmosis. रिवर्स ऑस्मोसिस थोड़ी होती है भाई, ऑस्मोसिस होती है. चलिए ठीक है। H2O इज लेस एसिडिक देन, क्या ये सही बात है? हाँ, H2S is less acidic, सही बात है। Down the group acidic strength increases and obviously because of the bond enthalpy weaken. So answer ठीक है इसका। Answer is option is A. Assertion and reason both are true. Correct explanation also. Chlorobenzene is less reactive for nucleophilic substitution, सही बात है। Nitro group in chlorobenzene increases the reactivity towards nucleophilic substitution, ये भी सही बात है। But there is no link between the two statements. B is the correct answer. Due to Schottky defect, there is no गलत statement है ये भी। Schottky defect की वजह से density decreases. Assertion is false. Reason पढ़ने की भी जरूरत क्या है, क्योंकि एक ही ऑप्शन है यहाँ पे तो। ठीक है, ओके नेक्स्ट। फ्लोरीन फॉर्म्स ओनली वन ऑक्सो एसिड HOF, सही बात है। फ्लोरीन इज हाईली इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिव, सही बात है। ऑप्शन इज ए हेयर। ठीक है, फाइनल बच्चे ने यहाँ पर कर रखा है वैसे तो। ठीक है, एंड देखिए ढूंढते हैं जरा, लॉन्ग रेंज ऑर्डर किस में होता है? ऑब्वियसली इन क्रिस्टलाइन सॉलिड, सो सेकंड विल गो विद ए। ओके फाइन। अपार्ट फ्रॉम दिस नंबर ऑफ एटम्स पर यूनिट सेल इज 2, नहीं ये तो नहीं है। मेटल एक्सेस डिफेक्ट ड्यू टू एनायनिक वैकेंसीज इज F सेंटर, तो 2 जाना चाहिए A के साथ एंड 5 जाना चाहिए B के साथ, ऐसा है कोई? ऑब्वियसली B इज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन, बाकी देखने की जरूरत भी नहीं है हमें। लेट्स मूव टू द नेक्स्ट वन, 51। Which of the following is correct? XC and the answer is moist sulfur dioxide is a reducing agent and chlorine is a bleaching agent, सही बात है, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है। C गलत है, नाइट्रोजन इज नॉट हाईली रिएक्टिव। HI वीक एसिड नहीं होता, D भी गलत है, और XeF6 स्क्वायर प्लानर नहीं है, इसलिए A भी गलत है। नाउ 52, कर्डलिंग ऑफ मिल्क इज डिनेचुरेशन ऑफ प्रोटीन, सही बात है। Alpha helix is secondary structure, so D is the correct option here also. पैसेज है, पैसेज पढ़ें क्या? क्या जरूरत है पैसेज पढ़ने की? 53 की बात करते हैं। रेजिस्टेंस टू ऑक्सीडेशन, देखिए ऑक्सीडेशन का ऑर्डर होता है प्राइमरी, सेकेंडरी एंड टर्शरी। ए इज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन हियर। 54, which of the following group increases the acidic character of phenol? Which of the following group increases the acidic character of phenol? Electron withdrawing group, nitric acid, NO2। ठीक है, अच्छा ठीक है, पहले इसकी आपने रिएक्शन कराई क्लोरोफॉर्म के साथ, फिर NaOH के साथ, इट्स रीमन टीमन रिएक्शन, और ठीक है, और दूसरी तरफ आपने NaOH और CO2, इट्स कॉल बेस रिएक्शन। तो इसका आंसर है आपका डी। एक तरफ बनेगा सैलिसिलिक एसिड, दूसरी तरफ बनेगा सैलिसल्डिहाइड। आई होप एवरीथिंग वाज क्लियर। अगर कुछ डाउट है यू कैन ऑलवेज आस्क इन द कमेंट सेक्शन एंड डोंट फॉरगेट टू शेयर दिस वीडियो विद योर फ्रेंड्स आल्सो एंड सब्सक्राइब द चैनल। थैंक्स फॉर वाचिंग।